is the stairs. Kasanting nani ako eh. Going up. Ay, bawal pa ang tatalaan. Wow.
Light noise. Ayo, masala na.
Wow.
Yan yung meron mo siya.
It looks wow now. Unlike before, it looks gorgeous. This one is not finished yet, but looking closer. This one is light brown.
Then border na siya, kung ano mo.
Yeah, this one, dito ang selling na rin.
Hali.
Dito ang dati pa rin. Yeah. They made the borders on all sides of the house. Nani ne? Looks the same.
Wow.
Everything looks the same. Ay, ni may repair na ini na.
Wow. Ano yun? Ano niya pa kaya? Sa masang niya pamura niya. Kaya pa finish yan. Kaya
Yeah.
hindi pa siya tiyan mo niya pa. Kaya hindi pa yun. Liyan hindi pa pong masigan. Then niya rin daw rin. Sana mga niya nakakamura mo. Kaya po na.
Masters. All borders looks the same.
Then yung cabinet not yet finished.
Yeah. Cabinets not
Soon they will
finished yet.
going to spray.
They will spray the cabinet soon.
In the ceiling. So okay. Oh.
The house is gorgeous now. The old paint is gone. Your bathroom. It's still the same, but when something needs repaired, we'll do later after the work.